Starting now.
So we're going to make an origami envelope to fit this size of card. Okay? So Alicia, my assistant, is going to follow along with me. So what we're going to do is fold it into a triangle. So we take the top corner, fold it down and make sure they line up. Then we do a little pinch, and then when we've got it, we do the crease all the way along. Okay. Then we open it out. Okay. Then we want to take the other corner and fold it, but we're not going to crease it. We're just going to do a little pinch in the middle and then open it out again. Okay? So then we fold it back into the triangle. You find the place where the little crease is. You take the top half of the triangle, just one piece, and you fold it down to the crease. Yeah? Then you can take the card and fit it in to see if it's straight, because I don't always get it straight. Is that straight? Okay, I think that's quite straight. And then we crease it down. Yeah, there you go. Then we take the left hand point and we're going to fold it over into the middle so that it passes the middle. Okay, and then we do a crease. Yeah. Then we're going to take the other corner, the right hand corner, and do the same thing. Fold it over into the middle and then crease it down. Then you can tuck this one corner inside the other corner. Yeah. And the last thing we do is fold, and this is where sometimes fold the correct corner down, fold the flat down until it covers. Yeah. And then what I usually do is put a couple of little gems to seal it down.